I'm Katie with PW Insurance, and I'm here today to help you learn about workers' compensation. Work comp is something that's mandatory, you have to buy it, and it provides coverage for your employees if they're injured at work, both for the medical coverage and for lost wages. And the rating for a work comp policy is based on a couple of factors. One is, what are the duties of your employees? Are they a clerical worker? Are they outdoor guide? Are they a mechanic? That's going to determine the rate for the employee. And then what's your anticipated payroll for the year? So whether that employee works for 1 week or they work the whole year, we're just going to need to know that payroll amount. So with those two factors, the carrier will issue a policy and you'll pay a price to start the policy. In this example here, we have a fish buyer, and they had expected about $273,000 in payroll for their fish processors, and about another $40,000 for retail employees and $40,000 for their clerical employees. So they paid a price here that we can see for the year with that estimated information. At the end of the policy period, the carrier is going to conduct an audit. And the audit is just going to look at what was your actual payroll compared to what we had estimated. So for this example here, they actually ended up having quite a bit more payroll. So you can see here they had over $452,000 for their seafood processors, about $40,000 or $31,000 for their retail employees, and just under $80,000 for their clerical employees. So they really are going to owe an additional $16,399 to the carrier because their payroll was a lot higher than they had expected. This can be a problem for some employers to come up with those funds at the end of a policy period. So we recommend a couple things. Work with your bookkeeper and your insurance agent to set up class codes for your employees in your payroll system, which allows for easy reporting. Collect certificates of insurance from your subcontractors. If you don't have a certificate, they're treated as your employee and you'll have to pay the premium for the cost of hiring them. And then finally, you can update your payroll at any point in the policy period. So if you notice you have a big jump in your payroll, or you can see that you're going to be hiring someone else, call your agent. We can always adjust your policy and help make those payments throughout the year instead of all bundled together at the end of the year. I hope that helped you understand work comp.